Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will introduce to you another project that is called Zen Chain Protocol. How it works, let's find out together. Let's find out together. What is Zen Chain Protocol? Zen Chain Protocol, a dedicated blockchain specially optimized for DeFi and NFT. Zen Chain is a dedicated blockchain specially optimized for DeFi and NFT applications. It includes the following core functions: scalable, high-throughput blockchain proof of stake, built using Cosmos SDK running on Tendermint Core Consensus Engine. Cross-chain support with a bridging solution between Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Tron and more. Built for DeFi and NFTs. With a core dApp built in for DeFi and NFTs, Zen Chain is ready for the DeFi and NFTs ecosystem from the start. Smart contract support. Zen Chain supports smart contracts, enabled by COSM/WASM, EVM technology. Summary. Zen Chain Foundation is developing Zen Chain, a blockchain specifically dedicated to decentralized finance, DeFi, applications and non-fungible tokens, NFT. By focusing on blockchain functionality and dedicated to DeFi and NFT, Zen Chain provides unprecedented high transaction throughput, reduced risk of errors, and developed special intelligence to perform financial services for both fungible and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, on the blockchain. The cryptocurrency industry is based on a simple premise: everyone should be in complete control of their finances. While it may seem like a simple and obvious statement, current systems are far from providing financial services that are actually within the control of those who use them. Zen Chain's mission is to provide everyone, and in the future, machines and devices, seamless access to decentralized finance, DeFi, with special non-fungible tokens, NFTs. For that purpose, we are introducing Zen Chain, a dedicated blockchain dedicated to decentralized finance, DeFi, specifically for non-fungible tokens, NFTs. About the problem. First, we must be clear what DeFi is. DeFi, in its ideal form, exhibits four characteristics. First, non-custodial financial services allow participants to take full control of their funds at any time. Second, DeFi's permissionless nature allows anyone to interact with financial services without having access censored or blocked by third parties. Third, DeFi is publicly verifiable, which means anyone can check the status of the protocols, for example, they are completely collateralized, sane. Fourth, financial services can be arbitrarily created so that new financial products and services can be created similar to how one can form new Lego models based on a few basic building blocks. Okay, now I will talk about the solution problem. Zen Chain offers several solutions to this problem: scalable, high-throughput blockchain with Tendermint power, bridge from Ethereum, Tron, and Binance Smart Chains to create cross-chain DeFi and NFTs solutio. Integration of decentralized valuations, built-in DeFi primitives, DEX, lending and borrowing, EDO token, insurance. Irreplaceable token applications such as minting, auctions, NFT rental, NFTs x DeFi. Bring the power of NFT to the DeFi ecosystem and DeFi to NFTs. Not only that, Zen Chain is also a bridge from Ethereum, Polkadot, Binance Smart Chain, Tron. Zen Bridge is a Zen Chain bridge Ethereum, Polkadot, Binance Smart Chain, Tron and many more. Designed to run on Zen Chain, focusing on simplicity and efficiency in maximum design. The bridge can transfer tokens, ETH, ERC20, DOT, TRX, TRC20, BEP20. Two-way between Ethereum Smart Chain, Polkadot, Binance, Tron, to Zen Chain. In the future, Zen Chain will support cross-chain money transfers using Tendermint IBC. About tokenomics. Token name, Zen, token type, BEP20 and ERC20, token name, TBA, total token supply, 100 million Zen, initial round supply, 2,500,000 Zen, initial market cap head, TBA, token sale, unused, burned. Regarding code allocation, 50.00% protocol development, 25.00% business development and marketing, operation 15.00%, 10.00% legal and accounting. About the core team. Typically, Josiah Tan is the founder, Christopher Chan, in charge of business development, Kawasaki Takao, chief technology team. You can follow the team on LinkedIn. I have completed the project analysis. If you want to learn more about the project, you can watch it under the video description. Thank you for watching and supporting. See you in the next video.